This week, we take a short sail over to Nevis and explore the island, visiting a bunch of sugar plantation ruins. We check out a large botanical garden, and we even managed to take a dip in a very warm volcanic hot spring.
Ooh. 'Cause even in the madness, there is peace, drowning out the voices all around me. Through all of this chaos, you are writing a symphony, oh.
All right, we are leaving St. Kitts and we're heading to Nevis. It's a whopping 2-hour sail to that mountain there. And we got all the sails up. It's just so nice in here. It's flat because we're in the lee of the island, so you can really cook. I think we're making 7-8 knots. We got both sails up, and it's just a really pleasant ride. Once we get there, we'll do the same thing we did yesterday. We'll go explore the island and see what it has to offer. Nevis has a lot of hiking, so I think we're going to be spending a lot of time here doing hiking. We've got to come back to St. Kitts tomorrow evening because Erin's taking a plane ride out to go visit our daughter, and then we'll go right back to Nevis. Everything's just so close in here. It's real quick to hop back and forth.
I need to know.
You do need to know.
TMI.
No, not TMI.
It is TMI. We don't need to know that.
Y'all are both gonna have, you have a wife and he's gonna have a wife.
Yeah. Dorcas.
Bye.
Bye, love you too.
I miss you.
We'll see ya.
Goodbye and good riddance.
We took a cab up into the hills and went to this place to have a pricey snack. These ruins were just down the hill, and they were part of the Hamilton estate. It's one of the last intact sugar factories on Nevis. It closed in 1951 and dates back to the mid-17th century. Yeah, look. It was a pretty long walk down the hill, and Google Maps took us right through a cricket match. But before long, we made it to the hot springs. This was the old bathhouse. It burned up a few years back, so they don't run the hot water into it anymore. Oh, wow. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's a hot hand. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, that's hot.
No, you gotta lay across and hold your arms to the side. Come on. Put your feet on the end and hold your arms to the side. Don't hit your hands on the bottom, that hurt.
Ooh. After the ladies took a dip, we headed down to town. Ever have a problem. That's the only kind of anchor you should get. After dropping Erin off in St. Kitts, Will and I came back to Nevis to continue our visit. Alexander Hamilton was born here, so there was a nice small museum about him and his legacy. It is thought that his stance on slavery was molded growing up here in the middle of a slave economy. After the museum, we were off for another tour by a local cab driver. Check out that window sticker. It reminded me of something.
He sold the windshield.
This sticker is dangerous and inconvenient, but I do love picnics.
Almost like somebody. Distinguish those.
That looks pretty good. After the Botanical Gardens, we visited several old plantations and sugar mills that have been converted into boutique hotels and restaurants. Nevis seemed to be really good at rehabilitating these ruins and making them into something different.
As it is for all of us. Sadly, we're still waiting for more.
We were up pretty early, so I didn't wake William, and I just untied us myself. Not sure how you get onto a ball by yourself, but getting off is easy. And with that, we were off to Antigua. Looks like it's going to be a pleasant day. Yeah. All right, we'll see you in Antigua. All right, we are off. We're leaving Nevis, which is right there. And we're heading to Antigua because the weather is really shaping up to be flat. The waves are really low, and this is the last bit of easting we have to do in the Caribbean. We're with two boats. We're Seascape and Wahoo right there. We're talking on the radio, so I probably had to get back. Anyway, it should be about a 10-hour sail, motor, and then we'll be in Antigua. Hey, thanks for watching, and follow along next week as we take on our first visitors this season and immediately put them to work. Really, we run around and explore all over Antigua and Barbuda. Thanks again for watching. We hit 3,000 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go do it. If you want to see what we're up to daily, check out our Instagram, and we'll see you next week.